Hey everyone, welcome to my channel again. So in this video, we're going to look at how to get $150 bonus and 6% APY from OnPath Credit Union. So we're going to look at what are the features of the OnPath Credit Union, what are the requirements to get $150 bonus, and what are the requirements to get 6% APY from checking account if you're interested, when are you going to get it, and what is the link to use to get this bonus. So let's take a look. So here are some of the features of the OnPath Credit Union. As you see, you can apply online. They also have some of the branches, but it's easy to apply online. It's quick. Number two, no minimum balance to earn interest. So no minimum balance. You don't have to worry about any minimum amount when you open. But I saw that when you're opening, savings account is required and the minimum balance they are asking, I believe $25 or something, or $5. But it says no minimum balance to earn interest. But there maybe is a minimum balance when you open a savings account, which is required. It could be $5, but we'll take a look later. And number three, no monthly account fees. So you don't have to worry about any monthly fee that you need to pay in case you don't meet any requirements. So basically, it's a $0 fee. Number four, get up to $10 out of network ATM fees refunded. So in case you use the out of network ATM, they're going to refund up to $10. And number five and six are the most important one. Number five says 6% APY on checking account up to $10,000. So in case you're interested to open a checking account, in addition to get the $150 bonus, they're offering 6% APY up to $10,000 after $10,000. So anything over $10,000 is going to earn, I think, 0.50% APY, but let's focus on up to $10,000 is 6% APY. That means annually you can make $600, which is $50 per month. It's not a bad deal. And number six, $150 bonus. So basically, if you meet certain requirements, they're going to give you $150 bonus. So in this video, we're going to look at last two features, which are 6% APY on checking account and $150 bonus. So first, let's take a look. How are the requirements to get this $150 bonus? So here, the first requirement is you need to be a new customer. So if you have opened an account before, or you got the bonus before from them, and is within last 12 months, I think you're not eligible. But here they're saying you need to be a new customer. So if you ever opened the account with them, or if you ever gotten the bonus with them, then you're not eligible. So make sure you're a new customer. Number two, open a new OnPath FC personal or business checking account. So this offer is actually valid for a personal account and or business account. So any kind of account. So whether you're not open a personal account, you could be still eligible to get this bonus. Whether you're not open a business account, you could still be eligible to get this bonus. Number three, which is probably one of the important one, make 15 or more debit card transactions of $10 or more within 60 days of account opening. That means you need to make at least 15 debit card transactions. So either you use it at the store with the physical debit card, or you use it online, whatever the way is, you need to make 15 debit card transactions within 60 days of account opening, and each of those transactions should be at least $10 or more, but at least $10. So this is a very important requirement. Number four, have one or more direct deposit totaling at least $250. This is, I think, easy one. You can try from different banks or business account, and you can see if it works. Usually what I do is I send from an external account or from a business account, and then I talk to the customer service agent or via chat. Hey, have you considered my payment that came from the business account as a direct deposit? And sometimes they confirm, sometimes they say yes, it's a direct deposit, sometimes they say no, it's not a direct deposit. But make sure that you confirm with them. Obviously, if you send from your payroll provider, it's going to be considered as direct deposit, but sometimes your money is tied up, so you should try from a different business accounts or brokerage accounts to see if they consider this as a direct deposit. And I have a separate video in my channel where I have explained like what are different ways to fake a direct deposit. Those are all legal. You can check that out. So number five is account must be in good standing to be eligible to receive this reward. So your account cannot be in a negative status, your account cannot be restricted, so make sure it's in good standing. What I usually do is I at least leave $5 until I get the bonus. So make sure you leave some money so that once you get a bonus, then you can take them out. So now let's take a look. What are the requirements to get 6% APY up to $10,000? It's from checking account. In case you're interested, I opened a checking account because 6% up to $10,000 is really great. But if you don't have $10,000 available, I can understand. But let's take a look what are the requirements to get the 6% APY. So first you need to open a rewards high yield checking account. So this is the checking account you need to open. There are different checking accounts, but you need to open a rewards high yield checking account. Number two, make 15 card purchases that post and settle to your account during the statement cycle. So look at this. It is saying number two, 15 debit card purchase. It is not saying any minimum amount. So that means any kind of amount is going to qualify you to get this 6% APY. So if you go to the gas station, you can just swipe your card a couple of times for $1, or if you donate somewhere, just donate 50 cents or $1 15 cents. Whatever way you want to do it, you can do it that way, and it's going to be counted towards getting the 6% APY. Number three, sign on to online and mobile banking at least one time per cycle. So that means one time per month. Usually the cycle starts usually from first of the month and ends on the one day before last day of the month. So make sure you give a couple of days to post that. So don't wait until the end of the last day of the month. Just a couple of days before the end of the month, make sure you complete all those transactions so that they're posted. Number four, be enrolled in and receive e-statements. I always do because I can check from my app or the website. I don't like the paper statements, so I think this is something you need to check. Go to the settings, e-statements, and make sure that you are enrolled in paperless statement. Number five, accounts must be good standing. As always, your account should be in good standing, not in negative status, not restricted. So make sure you, but I think the important point here is number two and number three. So make sure you keep attention so that you can meet all the requirements to get the 6% APY from checking account if you're interested. Now, when are you going to get the bonus? So usually what they're saying is within 4 to 6 weeks after completion of all the requirements, your $150 Visa reward card will be delivered to your mailing address. I've seen people, they have gotten it in a month after opening the account. So give it a 6 weeks after you complete all the requirements to get this $150 Visa reward card to your mailing address. Now, what are the step-by-step process to open this account? So I will share the link in my video so that you can, if you're interested, you can use my link. I think it's a referral link. They don't have the direct link. So if you're interested and you want to support my channel, you can absolutely use my referral link where you're going to get $150 and I'm going to get $150. But if you have a link from different person, you're very welcome to use other people's link as well. But let's look at the step-by-step process. So once you click on the link that I'm going to share in my video, you're going to come to this page where you see earn $150 with OnPath Credit Union. So you're going to see this page, and then you're going to see they're asking you to register. So you need to provide your first name, last name. If you're opening a business account, not personal, then you should give the business name. But in case you're just opening the personal checking account, you're going to provide your email address and then your physical address. Then you're going to click on register. So once you click on register, you're going to get an email from them right away. So, and this is how the email is going to look like. They're going to tell you, thank you for registering with OnPath Credit Union, earn $150. And then you're going to see a link here, which is saying you can click on the link to open it, or you can go to the branch. So I think it's easier to click on the link here, which says online, and just complete everything online. It's very fast and easy process. So once you click on that, then you're going to see join in 3 steps. So eligibility, you need to click on here, click here to acknowledge. Then you see required products, base share. So basically, you need to have the base shares, the required product, and minimum deposit $5. So you need to have a $5. So basically, so when you become a member, you automatically get a base share account with $5 initial deposit. Basically, they're charging $5 for your membership eligibility. So it's a required product. That means you cannot ignore that. But the last on available products, there are different options. I'm going to show you. So the first one is rewards high yield checking, which I have just explained. You can get 6% APY up to $10,000, and there is a minimum $25 deposit if you take that. I took it because I think 6% APY is a great offer, but it depends on your situation. If you're interested, you can do it, but if you're not, you can get rewards cashback checking, get 5% cashback. If that's something interests you, they also have other products, but make sure whatever interests you, you click on savings, money market, certified account checking, whatever interests you, depending on your situation, you can click one of them. and that's going to be added. Then you click on continue. So once you click on continue, and then they're gonna take you to all the personal information page where they're gonna ask you whether you want a credit card, where you want your credit card to be delivered, and then all your personal information like your first name, last name, SSN, your job situation, what you do, everything. So it's pretty quick. So once you provide all the information, then you're gonna receive an email to sign some papers. So once you sign all the papers, then basically your account would be ready. So and you're gonna see in the dashboard that you have the savings account, which they said base share minimum $5, and then if you're interested in high checking account, you're gonna see that as well. But if you open other kinds of account, you're gonna see here. So basically that's how the process is to open this account. It's pretty quick. It can be done in the same day. Usually the approval comes on the same day. In case they require some additional documentation from you, it can take 1 or 2 days. But if they don't require any additional document, they just need SSN and the driver's license, and they want to verify your information. All can be done via email, and they're going to send you documents to sign, and if you do everything, the account can be open in a day. So that's the whole process of opening the account to get this $150 bonus and 6% APY on checking account if you're interested. Now, what is the link? So as I told you, there is no direct link. So I also use somebody else referral link, one of my friends link. So there is no direct link. So here is my referral link. So if you use this referral link, and if you want to support my channel, which I would really appreciate, you can get $150, and I'm gonna get $150 after you meet all the requirements. But if you have somebody else link, feel free to use that link. I'm fine with that. It's up to you, but I'll share my link in case you're interested. You can also email me at help@moneyme.com, and I will be more than happy to send you the referral link. However you prefer, it's up to you, but I'm more than happy to help you to get this $150 bonus if you're interested. So that's all I had for today. Please don't forget to subscribe and share, and really thank you for your time. I really appreciate it. You have a great day. Bye-bye.